Okay, so Pillow is something that you will have to install. So if you're working on your own computer and you want to install Pillow inside Pycharm, you're going to go to Pycharm, you're going to click Python packages on the bottom left. You'll type Pillow into the search box and then install on the right hand side. Let me just show you really quick where that is. Now, I already have it installed, but Python packages is this icon over here that looks like a little stack on the left hand side. You click that, and if you type Pillow into the search box, you can see I have it installed here. It's just Pillow, all lowercase. That's the one you want. There's a million other things that have the word Pillow in it, but you just want Pillow, all lowercase. And when you select it, over here on the left, you should have a button that says install right here. Click that and it will install Pillow for you. If you have any errors, I recommend that you update Pycharm to make sure you have the newest version of Pycharm and then try again. That actually works for me when I tried that last week. So anyway, so that is how you install Pillow.